Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a game pass for Please Donate on Roblox. So as you can see, if I normally go and claim a stand on Please Donate, I have no items for sale. As you can see, I have to go put something on sale to actually get it. But to do it, it's actually pretty simple, so I'll show you guys exactly how to do it. So to do it, first, you're going to want to go to the Roblox website, as you can see here. Now once you're on the Roblox web page, from here, you're going to want to go and click on create in the top of the tab. Now once you click on create, you're probably going to be brought here, but if you aren't, then you just want to go to create.roblox.com and then you want to click on dashboard. So you just want to go to create.roblox.com/dashboard/creations. Now once you are here, it's pretty simple. You just want to click on your place. So as you can see, it's Siddiquiyoutuber's place. That's my username's place. And then once you find that, you're just going to want to go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to be brought to this page here, and everybody will have their own place automatically, even if it's a brand new account, so keep that in mind. But once you are here, you're actually going to want to scroll down and look for the associated items on the left hand side of the screen. Once you find associated items, from here you're going to want to go and find passes. As you can see, out of these 4 options right here, and from here you're going to want to click on create a pass. Once you click on create a pass, you can put in an image if you want to. That's optional, as you can see right here. Just put in some random name for it, and then you can put in a description as well, and then you can click create pass. So you can customize it however you want, but then to make sure that it actually shows up, you want to click on the pass I just created, and then you are going to want to go to sales in the left hand side of the screen right below the basic settings. Once you click on sales, you're going to want to click on item for sale, so it's blue right here, and then you want to put in a price for Robux, so you can put it as much as you want, and then you just click save changes, as you can see right here. And it's successfully saved. So if you go back to Please Donate now, let me just go ahead and join it real quick. As you can see, if I go ahead and claim a stall, then it will actually show up right there, 10,000 Robux. So that is actually how you create a game pass for Please Donate on Roblox. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.